Usembut Menteri Rangba bakmi yakatna transport basnya balang dahar hakasngin kong ula pentep baka sorkar jela shen kan sapenmi yakajing penbena ban pentre kamno daka speed limit lani kata kajing bu kendon bagi kali niki Shaka kimla Shuh ban Pynher kat bamon yaki kali jongki hakaleng ki Surok jangka jela. Habakran Shakilal pathai Khubor usembut Menteri Rangba ulayat hu ba uladap ru ban shong jingalang bat barok kitenat badon bentah hakani kakam kabaya day bat kajing shngan hakalit kawan lengba ki Surok ne kata ka road safety.
On road safety, we used to have once in a year, so today we are having it. The outcome is good because all the related department they are trying their best to cooperate and coordinate with the other line department. Yes, maybe not up to the mark, but they are working very hard, and we are insisting them to work harder, so at least to make sure that there will be less accident on the road in future. You see, yes, when the report is there, so yes, there is few locations which accidents frequently happen, so we suggest that we see what we should do, what corrective measures should be there. For example, if there is any near the school, we advise them to put rubber strips, speed breaker, and if there is any cough which is frequently accident to place, we advise them to see how to correct the place, something that is always to prevent accident. Today we discussed that. Not only to the two-wheelers, even for the vehicles, we request the police to make sure our speed should be strictly prohibited. Speed limit is different from state to state, and we are working on it. Because different road, different states, different. You see, for example, the plain area and the hill area is different, but we are working towards that also. Towns different speed, in the cities different speed, in the rural different speed, in the highways different speed. We are working on it. Maybe in a matter of 2-3 months, we'll be able to come with notification to notify this is the speed limit for a particular road or for a particular junction.